Hello friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. So we are going to start new batch on SQL Server DBA, HA and DR concepts, guys. Okay, we are going to start a new batch on SQL Server DBA, HA and DR, like high availability and disaster recovery concepts, guys. Okay, so we are planning to start this batch from 18th March 2023. We are planning to start this batch from 18th March 2023, which is coming Saturday, guys. Okay, timings will be classes will be on weekends, only on Saturdays and Sundays. Morning 7 to 9:30 and evening 7 to 9:30 you have to attend. Okay, two times we are going to connect. It's not like morning one batch, evening one batch. Morning also will connect, evening also the continuation classes will be. Okay, continue, guys. It is going to continue. The continuation topics will be continue, guys. Okay, so morning also you have to connect and evening also you have to connect, like that. Saturday and Sunday we are going to connect for 2 days every weekend. Okay, and 4 times I am going to take the classes for the weekends, guys. So what topics we are going to cover under this HADR? Okay, so we are going to cover first Active Directory domain services, how we have to set up Active Directory domain services and all. Why? Because we are going to cover all the topics with the real-time setup in the organization, how the servers will be, how the setup will be, okay, how the machines will be configured in the same way. We are going to create a domain. In that domain we are going to add servers. Okay, like complete real-time setup, guys. You don't feel any difference between your organization servers and our machines. Complete real-time setup you can see. For that we need a DNS server. So Active Directory we are going to use AD machine, and we are going to configure AD machine first. Then we have to configure log shipping. We are going to discuss, okay, about log shipping, and we'll discuss about the mirroring, we'll discuss about the replication, and we'll discuss about the Windows Server failure clustering. I'll explain about the topic. I'll show you how to configure Windows Server failure clustering, guys. Other trainers, they are going to simply show you with the help of screenshots and all, but in our training I'll show you. Okay, I'll take two hours session on Windows Server failure clustering, though it is not our topic, but still I'll take 2 hours session on Windows Server failure clustering. Why? Because it's very important for SQL clustering and always on. So if you are good in Windows clustering, you can easily troubleshoot SQL clustering and always on errors and all. So I'll show you the demo how to configure, and I'll explain about Windows Server failure clustering concept, and then SQL Server failure clustering also I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to show you the demo, guys. Finally, always on. Okay, so what is meant by always on and all, how to configure always on. So all these 7 topics will be covered under HA and DR concepts. Okay, every topic we are going to cover the discussion first, and I'll show you the setup, how to set up the things. I'll show you the configurations, and I'll show you failure and failback, how to do failure and failback, and some common errors on that particular topic. Okay, in always on, what and all common errors, what common issues you are going to face in the organization, like in the clustering, what common issues you are going to face, how to fail over cluster, how to fail back the cluster. In the interview point of view only we are going to discuss, guys. So it will be like for 2 to 3 weekends classes will be there, guys. Around 20 hours to 30 hours classes will be there. So I am planning to start this batch from 18th March onwards, and if anyone is interested, you can send an email to this realtimeittrainings@gmail.com, or else you can also ping me to my WhatsApp number +919902590140, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you, like, with the help of diagrams and all. I'm going to explain with the help of diagrams. Okay, you can see these are the diagrams for the last batch. Okay, with the help of the diagrams I'm going to explain each and every concept, guys. So even though you are from non-technical side, okay, don't worry about these things and all. I'll explain each and everything with the help of diagrams, guys. Okay, so let me show you that as well. Okay, so here these are my old batch diagrams. Okay, if you go to batch 47, there you can see how I explained for them HADR concepts and all. So you can see here. See, this is your Active Directory diagram, and I explained with the Active Directory and all. And this is for log shipping, how log shipping will work, how mirroring will work, how replication will work, how clustering will work, okay, how always on will work. So like this, everything I just explained with the help of diagrams, guys. So you don't worry, even though you're from a non-technical side, I'll take care of you guys. Only thing is you have to practice properly once the concept is completed, okay. If you are interested, you can send a WhatsApp message to this, or you can call me to this number 9902590140. If I am not reachable, then you can send an email to this realtimeittrainings@gmail.com. Thank you so much, guys.